Welcome to All Kids TV.
Step, 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 let's get away. Looking neat for a brand new day. Following the sunnah, feeling so cool. Looking our best is the golden rule. Hair so neat, clean and bright, just like the sunnah, it feels so right. Snip, snip here and a comb right there. Islamic haircut, let's take good care. Wash it first, keep it clean. Hygiene is key, let your shine be seen. No wasteful styles, just simple and pure. That's the way we'll always endure. Hair so neat, clean and bright, just like the sunnah, it feels so right. Snip, snip here and a comb right there. Islamic haircut, let's take good care. Thank you, Allah, for our hair so fine. We'll take good care, it's a gift divine. Short and tidy, no pride in our way. Let's stay humble every single day. Hair so neat, clean and bright, just like the sunnah, it feels so right. Snip, snip here and a comb right there. Islamic haircut, let's take good care. Snip, 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 we're all set to go. With a sunnah haircut, we're ready to glow. Thank you, Allah, for blessings we see. A clean haircut for you and me. Thank you, Allah, for blessings we see. A clean haircut for you and me.
Welcome to All Kids TV.
Let's get to that little park so big and wide. Dinosaurs lived long ago, they were our guide. Allah made them big and tall. SubhanAllah, He created it all. Dinosaurs here, dinosaurs there. Allah's creation is everywhere. Sing Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Dino Park is a wonder so bizarre, bizarre. The T-Rex roars so mighty and strong. Allah gave the power, but not for long. The world has changed, but we can see Allah's creation and history. Dinosaurs here, dinosaurs there. Allah's creation is everywhere. Sing Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Dino Park is a wonder so bizarre, bizarre. Bismillah, let's explore and learn. Dinosaurs lived before the earth's turn. Allah's wisdom is beyond our sight. Dinosaurs remind us of His might. Dinosaurs here, dinosaurs there. Allah's creation is everywhere. Sing Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Dino Park is a wonder so bizarre, bizarre. So let's thank Allah every day for the beauty in the dino's way. SubhanAllah, Alhamdulillah. Dinosaurs are part of Allah's rahmah.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.
Welcome to All Kids TV.
When we wake up, what do we say? Alhamdulillah for the start of the day. Brush your teeth, keep yourself clean. A Muslim is pure and always seen. Say Assalamu alaikum with a smile so bright. Spread peace and love day and night. Say Bismillah before you start. Good manners show a loving heart. When you eat, use your right hand. Say Bismillah, it's Allah's command. Finish with Alhamdulillah too. Grateful hearts, that's what we do. Say Assalamu alaikum with a smile so bright. Spread peace and love day and night. Say Bismillah before you start. Good manners show a loving heart. Help your parents, don't delay. Listen and obey every day. Be kind to neighbors, share what you can. Respect and care for every man. If you make a mistake, say Astaghfirullah. Allah forgives when we follow His law. Say Jazakallah khair to show your thanks. These are the manners of Muslim ranks. Say Assalamu alaikum with a smile so bright. Spread peace and love day and night. Say Bismillah before you start. Good manners show a loving heart. Remember Allah in all you do. He loves good manners from me and you. Be the best Muslim you can be, with Islamic manners for all to see. Say Assalamu alaikum with a smile so bright. Spread peace and love day and night. Say Bismillah before you start. Good manners show a loving heart.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.